Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share the stock ideas for the coming weeks. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for all video updates. In my previous video on 21st September, I have shared 3 stock ideas. The first stock is Indraprastha Gas Limited, bullish above 426 with stop loss 399. This stock made high 429 and the stop loss 399 triggered. This stock clocked 6% loss. The next stock is Bharati Airtel, bullish above 500 with stop loss 468. The levels not yet triggered for this stock. And the next stock is NTPC, bullish above 93 with stop loss 84. This stock also the levels not yet triggered. Coming to the stock ideas for next week, the first stock to focus is BHEL. BHEL, after having a steep fall, it is now trading near the crucial support zone of around 25 to 30 levels. If this support holds and if BHEL breaks above 29.25, it has good chance to move forward. So BHEL bullish above 29.25 with stop loss 26.5. The support levels seen around 28.5, 27.5 and 26.5, and the resistance levels seen around 32, 34 and 36. Next stock to focus is GAIL Limited. GAIL Limited struck between the range 80 to 90 for the past 2 months. Any break beyond this range above 90 and sustain, GAIL Limited has good chance to move forward. So GAIL bullish above 90 with stop loss 81. The support levels are seen around 85, 83 and 81. The resistance levels seen around 92, 96 and 100. The next stock to focus is ONGC Limited. ONGC is trading in a nice downward channel for past few months and it is on the verge of breakout from this channel. If it happens and sustain above 70, it has good chance to move forward. So ONGC bullish above 70 with stop loss 64, support level seen around 68, 66 and 64. The resistance levels seen around 72, 74 and 76. I am following certain rules and discipline in my trading. I would like to share with the viewers on how to trade the technical levels of stocks, which helps in controlling our trading emotions. The first rule is don't catch up and avoid stocks which gaps up or gaps down above 1 to 2% of the technical levels mentioned for trading. The next rule is wait for the technical levels mentioned in this presentation strictly to enter your trade. The next important rule is once we initiated our trade, kindly maintain strict stop loss. The next point is the stop loss whatever I mentioned here are on weekly closing basis. I mean, I will wait till the end of the week whenever the price closes below the stop loss level mentioned. The traders shall use daily close as well for stop loss based on your risk and patience level. The most important rule like stop loss is please don't wait for support and resistance levels for targets because those are just reference levels. Kindly book partial profits often after a considerable move, that is some 1 to 2% based on your money management, and adjust your stop loss to the break even so that which will reduce risk and increase our profit. Disclaimer: my views or suggestions for stocks index in this channel are based on the theory of technical analysis and my personal observations. It is only general view with reference to previous information for education purpose. This does not claim for sure or certain profit or any fixed returns. You are kindly advised to take positions at your own risk and responsibility for any loss. If this video is useful, kindly share to other traders. You shall subscribe to my channel, Technical Trader Ravichandran Gopalakrishnan. You shall also visit my blog for daily updates on global technical charts at ravi-charts.blogspot.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at Ravicharts. Stay cautious, stay safe, happy trading. Thank you.